Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export to Excel. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting data from Smartsheet to Excel is a straightforward process, and the first thing that we need to do is once you're logged in to your account, open the sheet you want to export. In my case, this is going to be that file, and then I'm going to click on it. Now on the upper left corner, there should be an option that says File. Click on that, and of course, just click on Export. Click the export file, export to Microsoft Excel. Okay, I'm gonna click on that. And as you can see, download has started. I'm gonna click on the file itself. Now, the file has been successfully exported to Microsoft Excel. Now, if you don't have a Microsoft Excel installed in your computer, the next option that you could use is, it's called Expose Online Excel Viewer. Okay, all I have to do is drop and drag the file on this specific platform, and then as you can see, you would be able to view the Excel file that you have exported from Smartsheet. Okay, that's two ways. Number two is just go directly to Microsoft Excel Online. You can sign up for free, all right? And then, or if you can sign in if you have an account here, I'm gonna sign in. Once you have successfully created your account here in the Microsoft Excel Online, all you have to do is simply drag and drop the files. And we're going to do that again here. As you can see, the file has been uploaded, and all I'm going to do is click on Open, so you would be able to open the exported file from Smartsheet to your Microsoft Excel Online. Okay, so here it is now, successfully exported. Now, the last option that we are going to do is simply switch back to your Smartsheet and go to the home page. Now, from the home page, go to the left side panel of your dashboard, go to Browse, and of course, just look for the worksheet that you wanted to export. There should be an option that says Actions, and you see the option here is to export to Microsoft Excel. You can do all of these at once if you wanted, but you can't do that. You have to do it individually, all right? The idea is that exporting to Excel will allow you to maintain a local backup of your data, ensuring you have access to it offline, or in case you need a historical record of the Smartsheet file that you are working with. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.